How to make withdrawals on PiggyVest before maturity date. Many people are interested in this topic. That is why we are bringing this video forward. Now let's go to our Safelock. Now you realize that on your Safelock interface, there is no withdrawal button whatsoever there. So to make a withdrawal, after locking your money for a set day or for a period of time, the only way you can make your withdrawal is not through the app, because if I tell you there is a way to make withdrawal on your PiggyVest application or software, I will be lying. So the best thing to do is to go through the customer care service by clicking on your account here, and you navigate down to contact us. When you click on contact us, you will be faced with their address and phone number. You can either click on call now to put a call through a customer agent. You lodge your complaint and let them know it is urgent, so they will help you process your money, your withdrawal. Or you either walk into their office with the stated office address here to lodge your complaint and your withdrawal will be made. When you click on the call now, it will take you to your phone book where the number will be displayed. The number displaying on the screen will be the customer service number. So all you just have to do is to do what? To dial it and you'll be connected to the agent. See you in my next video.